Oh, it left me. These are some elevators in the Genetics Biotechnology building at University of Wisconsin-Madison. We have some Otis Series 1 tractions here. Oh, came back. Let's go to 5. I've been on a Series 1 traction in quite a while. Here at 5. I don't think these are Gen 2s. B. Here's your CLP, 3,000 pound capacity, new Otis Series 1 buttons, 88 phone. Just a typical Otis cab. I kind of like it actually. Interesting pattern on the floor. Let's go to 5. In there. Alright, 5. These run very well. Otis. Alright. There it goes, and that'll be it.